Hello viewers, during my YouTube journey I have made many videos on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Last year Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus was sold at a price point of 21 to 23,000 rupees on Flipkart.com during Big Billion Days sale. This year also in Big Billion Days sale this tablet was sold at a price point of 25,000 rupees or less. But right now the price of this tablet is very high, so people are asking me whether they should buy this tablet over 30,000 price point or they should wait for another sale. Starting with the design, Samsung has kept things simple, slim and premium. The aluminum finish feels solid and the tablet is surprisingly lightweight for its size. The FE Plus comes with a big 12.4-inch LCD display. Though it is not an AMOLED display, but Samsung's LCD is still sharp, vibrant and excellent for multimedia consumption, online classes and productivity. And yes, Samsung includes the S Pen in the box, which is a huge advantage for students, content creators. No changing needed, low latency and perfect for students, designers, note takers and digital artists. Samsung Note Plus Good Notes is a killer combination on this tablet. I thoroughly enjoy writing on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. Under the hood of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, we have the Exynos 1380 processor. Now, this is not a gaming beast but for everyday tasks, multitasking, text mode, video streaming, note-taking and apps like Canva, Lightroom, KineMaster or even light gaming is possible on this tablet. Battery life is another impressive area. With 10,090 mAh battery, you can expect an SOT up to 10 hours plus on a single charge, plus it supports 45 watt of charging, but you have to buy the charger separately. Now, who should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus? This tablet is perfect for students for taking notes, online classes and PDF reading. Also for content consumers like movies and OTT and reading. Also productive tasks can be done on Samsung DeX and split screen. But now the important question arises, what should be the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus? If you ask me, the best price for this tablet is 25,000 rupees maximum, because you will get only one update more on this tablet. So after 1 or 2 years this tablet will feel little bit older. In that case you will not receive any update, so you must be aware of this fact. Plus, if you go above 30,000 price point, you are getting many other options like Oneplus Pad 2 or Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So I will suggest you to wait for the right offers, maybe Christmas sale or Republic Day sale that will occur in 2026. Hope this video has become informative to you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.